Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix iOS 17 lagging issues. So if you guys want to go ahead and fix the iOS 17 lagging issues, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first in order for us to fix the lagging issues that we have on iOS 17 is of course, to be aware that if you are using a device that is basically a few years of usage, as you have already from it, lagging is not really gonna be inevitable, but there are actually some methods we could actually do to prevent this issue. So the first method we could actually do is to make sure that we don't have any applications running on the background. So if you do have a few applications running on your background, so let's say you have a few applications running on the background, well, basically we need to do is to go ahead and terminate those applications from running, just like so, like this. And one more thing that we could also do is to go in over in arrow settings right here and go on over onto the tracking of the ads, so we can actually go ahead and do a quick search of that and search for track, and we can actually tap on advertising over here, and you need to go ahead and turn off your personalized ads. Basically, this is going to go ahead and track your usage on your iPhone, also basically contribute to the lagging of your device. So go ahead and turn your personalized ads off, and that should solve your problem. Now, those are the two ways you could actually do in order to solve your issue. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.